All right, and the final part, lesson 10. All right, so it starts off with number 59. We're going to choose the more precise measurement in each pair. So we have 1 foot versus 12 inches. Well, we know that 1 foot is 12 inches, but this is measured in feet, and this is measured in inches. Inches are smaller than feet. So 12 inches is the more precise measurement. Remember, precise is smaller units of measurement. All right, on to number 60. We have 37 grams versus 37.0 grams. Now again, these are technically the same, but we're looking at units of measurement. So this guy is measured in grams, and this guy is measured in tenth of a gram. Tenth of a gram is smaller than grams. This is the smaller one. So this is the more precise measurement. So for 61, we have 550 centimeters versus 5.5 kilometers. All right, well, I don't know if these things are equal or not, so let's find out. We have King Henry died from drinking chocolate milk. Let's go ahead and convert centimeters to kilometers. Why not? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 550. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fill all those spaces in with zeros. All right, so now we have that versus 5.5 kilometers. All right, so this is measured to a tenth of a kilometer. And this is measured to, let's see, tenth, hundredth, thousandth, 10,000th. So 10,000th. So a 10,000th is smaller. This is a smaller measurement. So this guy is the more precise measurement. All right, so now we have number 62. We have 1.5 liters versus 1 liter. Well, this is being measured to a tenth of a liter. And this is just being measured to a liter. Tenth of a liter is obviously smaller. So this is the more precise measurement. All right, now for 63, we're going to write the possible range of each measurement. So 63 tells us we have 500 pounds plus or minus 4%. All right, first thing we're going to do is, what is 4%? Let's convert that to a number. So 4%, we're going to take that 4 and we're going to move the decimal twice to the left. So we're going to have 0.04. All right, so now what chunk of that? What chunk of 500 is 0.04? So we do 500 times 0.04. And that is going to give us, let's see, 20. Let's write it over here. 20. So this is the chunk plus or minus. So we're going to have 500 plus or minus 20. So let's write that out. 500 plus 20 and 500 minus 20. 500 plus 20 is going to be 520, and 500 minus 20 is 580. 480. So now we write that as a range by putting the smallest first, so 480 pounds, to the largest, 520 pounds. And that is our range. All right, next we have number 64. That's going to be 20 ounces plus or minus 0.5%. So first we got to figure out what 0.5% means. So 0.5%, we're going to move that decimal twice to the left. 1, 2. So we're going to end up with 0.005. All right. So we do 20 times 0.005 to find out how big that chunk is going to be. So 20 times 0.005 is going to be 0.1. So there's our wiggle room. So we have 20 plus or minus 1. That's 20 plus 1 and 20 minus. So 20 plus 1 is going to be 21. 20 minus 1 is 19, so let's write that as a range. Write the little one first, 19 ounces, to the biggest one, 21 ounces, and that is our range. Guys, I'm crazy. It's 0.1, not 1. So let's redo that. 0.1, 0.1. All right. So not that. Hang on. All right. So we have 20 plus 0.1 is going to be 20.1, and 20 minus 0.1 is going to be 19.9. So now we write the smaller one, which is 19.9 ounces, to the larger one, which is 20.1 ounces. And that is our correct range. All right, now on to number 65. So we have 75 kilograms, give or take 3%. All right, let's find out what 3% means. 3%, that's going to be 3, move that decimal twice, 1, 2. It's going to be 0.03. All right, 0.03. So now we do 75 times 0.03, and that's going to be 2.25. So that's going to be 75 plus or minus 2.25. So 75 plus 2.25 and 75 minus 2.25. So plus 25 is going to be 77.25, and then minus 2.25 is going to be 72.75. So we write out the smaller one first, and that's going to be the 72.75 kilograms to the larger one, 77.25 kilograms. And that is our answer. Next we have 66, the last one. Yay! So we have 1,035 millimeters plus or minus 10%. All right, what is 10%? We take that 10, we move the decimal twice to the left, we're going to get 0.1. So we do 1,035 times 0.01, which is just going to give us 103.5. All right, so that means 1035 plus or minus 1035, which is kind of a lot if you ask me. So 1035 plus 103.5 and 1035 plus 103, oops, sorry, not plus, minus. minus 103.5. Alright, so for the first one, we are going to get 1138.5. For the other one, we're going to get 931.5. So we're going to write that out as a range using the smallest one first. So 931.5 millimeters to the largest one, 138.5 millimeters. And that's it. And that finishes off our entire chapter review.